Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick video here, which is just a quick 5 minutes. What you're going to need to set up, set yourself up. So what I'm recommending is you use tradingview.com. I think that I have a referral link for this. So underneath the video, I'll put my referral links. If you can click on them. It's not how I make my money. I am a trader. I do it full time. But if you don't, I think TradingView, I think I get like a $5 or a $10 towards my next subscription. So I don't actually get paid any money. It just comes off my next subscription. So if you can use that, it costs you nothing and you're helping me out, which I appreciate. And then you're going to need a broker. You're going to have to sign up to a broker. If you use my referral link, I think I get paid something. I don't know how much or what it is, but you might as well use mine if you haven't already, because you're learning this shit for free from me, and it doesn't cost you anything to do so. So that would be appreciated. And that's with IC Markets. I'll drop the link below. But you just basically want to be signing up. You want to be signing up and opening a demo account. Once you've opened a demo account, you'll be able to then get your broker linked up to MT4. So if you've got an iPhone or an Android, just download the app MT4, and then you'll be able to log in with your details, and you will be able to see. You'll be able to basically see the charts. You'll see something like this. You'll be able to add different pairs that you want to go on there. I'll try and do a video. I'll switch this video off. So I don't know how this video is going to turn out because I can't actually see it. Usually I watch on my phone so I can see, make sure everything's in. Okay, so once you log into MT4, this is where you're going to find, you have different charts and layouts. This is just a demo account I used. Down here you're going to have your navigation. So, you can like pick a chart, click new chart, it will open it up. I've saved my templates so they come out that grey colour that I go for. So that would be US dollar Swissy, but let's take into consideration, I don't know, gold or something here. And I'll just play some trades so that you can see, right? So let's open gold up. This is price action at the moment. So we're just going to come over here. I'm going to click buy. In here, that's just got me into a position. This is just loading. I don't know why it's taking forever to load. Drop it out here, right? So you can see I'm in that position there. I'm going to click on that stop loss and I'm going to drag the stop loss down. Say for instance there. If I hover over it, tells me how much I'll lose, which is like $1,000. Let's say we're targeting 1738. We'll drag that line up, and that is where our target profit would be, which would be $3,000 profit. So we're going to watch that, see what goes on there. And this is pretty much what you'll get on the iPhone as well. I would recommend using it as a computer. You can practice on the phone. The iPhone app is really self-explanatory. I'll show you here actually. If I just log in on my phone. So that's what that app's going to look like. You're going to sign in here. As you can see, it just says like demo account, history, trading history. So for the day, on my demo account, I made $2,000. That was just like a silly trade, for the videos. There's going to be your chart. So this is what you'll see. This is what you need to get used to seeing on the iPhone. I don't know if this is, yeah, that's all right. So you've got your pairs along the side. You can see Euro US dollar's got 0 spread. So that means that the buying and the selling is the same price. Give a pipette, but that doesn't really matter. Obviously, the price on the left is going to be the price that you're going to be buying at. Is it buying out or selling out? Yeah, selling it out, buying it out, or buying it out, selling it out. I can't figure that out in my brain right now. But it's pretty simple to add different pairs. So, for instance, if you wanted to go on energies and add natural gas, you just add it like that. And then you'll see that will bring natural gas up on the charts at the bottom. And then you're going to see your general charts as we've been through, similar to trading through. So the information is going to be the same. Different charts and different brokers will have slightly different numbers, but they should be roughly the same. Just the pips will be slightly different. And So there you go, looking at natural gas there, as you can see, you've got all your history. Placing your trade is going to be the same. So say for instance you did like 15 lots or whatever, you're just going to click buy. If you wanted to put the stop loss in there as well, just go to modify, you can put a stop loss in there. Put a stop loss in there for like 1.8, fine. 310, that's a massive position. Obviously I'm not using any sort of risk management, but let's say we go for a target of like here, what price is that? 2.077, so let's add that in, modify. I want our stop loss, take profit to be 2.077, just put it 2.07. Then you can see on the chart, you know, we've got entry price, stop loss, and then target profit. All right. So that's pretty much, once you've signed up to IC Markets, I'll send you an email and you'll get your sort of login details. You'll log in on MT4, whether or not it's on the phone or it's going to be on the PC. You can get it from Mac, but if you have uploaded to that new Catalina, it doesn't work. So MT4 doesn't work on there. So you'll have to get PC or work from PC, or you can just chart on your MacBook. And then you can trade from your phone, you can enter on your phone, etc. But I'd recommend doing all of your charting on the computer, because you need to see all this price action, you need to see the history, and you can't do that when you're looking on a tiny phone. So only really use your phone, especially when you're learning, just to chart. Sorry, just to enter and exit and monitor positions. You don't really want to be charting on here because you just can't see enough information. You know, you can, but I don't know, maybe you can, but I'd recommend against it. So that's just getting yourself set up. So you got your trading view so that you can do you got your trading view so that you can do your charting. You got your broker set up, you got your account set up, you got your software set up. The only other thing I'd recommend getting is going to be some sort of book. So you got your journal book that you can write in. You need that every day. And that's pretty much you ready to go, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, once you've got those things, you're pretty much set up, you're ready to go. You've got your demo code sorted. Now it's ready for you to start actually learning price action and learning to see if you can figure out some sort of edge. All right, cool.